Good afternoon, everyone. It is August. It is January 13th, sorry. It is January 13th for KIT 6C at Iizuka campus. I have a few things that we're going to do today, but first, let me go over the schedule with you because it's getting a little bit tighter now. If you look at the schedule, basically we have today and next week, and then right away we have the speaking test. So these are the last 2 weeks that we have to get you ready to do your speaking test. We're going to do a lot of speaking today. Now for that speaking test, I have to get you into groups. There are 3 people here that are not yet in a group. So I hope to get you into those groups themselves. If not, we'll work something else out. Otherwise, please remember that the speaking test is the 27th. So please make sure that you can come on that day. Now, as to today's assignments, you basically have 3 main assignments, okay? Plus one assignment that shouldn't be a lot of work, but let's go over them one at a time. First, here's your homework answers from last week. And this is where I want you to submit your TOEIC certificate. You all took a TOEIC test in December. You received your TOEIC certificate in the email, probably in the last little while. And your TOEIC certificate basically looks like this. This is in your email somewhere. Now I want you to give me a copy of this. And it will have the TOEIC seal. It'll have your total score. It'll have your registration number and your name. Make sure that all of that is on the file that you send me. And I want you to send me that here under submit your TOEIC certificate. And basically, it's very simple. Let me just switch that over to student mode. So under the 13th, let's come over here, take that certificate, send it to me as an upload, and that's it. That's all that you have to do. Following from there, you have your homework submission and a reflection that is due tonight. The homework is due on Sunday. And the last email writing quiz number 2, which is based on the PDF that I gave you last week. So this is the PDF from the 6th. Make sure that you read that again, and then come back here and do the email writing quiz number 2. The most important thing, though, that I would say for you is that you make sure that you have your TOEIC certificate. Your TOEIC certificate is 25% of the value of this course. If you do not get me that TOEIC certificate, it'll be very difficult for you to pass, much less get a good grade, even if you did all of the assignments already. But I think everybody will probably be able to do that fairly easily. If you have any questions, please make sure that you contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, let's have a good class today, everyone.